How important is the right windshield? Now, this may be a funny question to most of you, but for me, I haven't had one for quite a long time. And this one's a little too big. And let me tell you, the right windshield will make a difference. So today we are going to be installing this, the windscreen from a 990 RCR track version. Now, I don't know if it will 100% fit. I'm pretty sure it will. But I'll tell you what, looking at the pictures, it's definitely taller. At least I hope. So let's start by measuring what's on there now, installing it, measuring again, and see what we think. So after my super scientific and accurate measuring, I took a 12mm crescent wrench and a T30 Torx bit, removed the factory windshield, removed the factory rubber grommets, replaced the factory rubber grommets in the new windshield, and repeated the process to then remeasure in my super scientific way. And funny enough, I got an extra inch of height here, which is, well, in the grand scheme of things, small, but pretty darn big, especially when we're looking at windshields. And one difference that I noticed, well, beside it being pretty much a pain in the ass to get on here for some reason, I don't know why it was so hard, it's a windshield, but there's a beveling here on the end of the factory one. So if you can see this, it kind of has like a ridge to it, a little bit of like a distortion. And I noticed going down the track, my eyes were kind of landing right in between there. And it was this big ridge. But on this version, the track version, there's none of that. I mean, it is just straight clear. There's no beveling. Like, it's really, hold on, let me show you. Like, none of that bevel. Let me see if I can get it to focus. Come on now. Like, none of that beveling here. Come on. None of that beveling here. Like, you can't even, like, it's just straight up clear. So much nicer. And now when I feel like I'm in a full tuck, I mean probably about here, I've got so much more room to see. Stand up for that corner tip in, coming down that straight, chest on the tank. Oh yeah, there's gonna be a lot more room here. There's not gonna be that funky bevel, and I'll get even better aerodynamics. So yeah, overall, I think a pretty darn good upgrade. And the best part, I think it looks way more race bikey. It looks taller. I like the fact that it is just that hair taller. Looks good. It kind of angles the front up a little bit. Either way, I'm happy with it. It was worth the money. Now, I'm sure some other aftermarket brand will come out with one that's cheaper, but hey, if they're in stock, the 990 RCR track version windshield will work on your 990 RCR normal version, street version. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned for more mods. There's a few other things that I want to do to this bike in the off season. And remember to keep riding.